my goal for today was to empty out all of these cabinets, and I got it all done except for two cabinets. I got everything packed up, wrapped up in boxes, in newspapers. It's 2 boxes, 3 boxes. Oh my goodness, it's so much stuff. But I got it packed up. Tomorrow I'll finish this. Then, oh, don't even look in there. Start on the kitchen. But, okay, that is half the battle. Woo! Okay, woo! As you can see, we got all the books from upstairs, and there's still a bunch more. These are a bunch of really old books and magazines and stuff. So, gotta box these up too and figure out what to do with them. Probably gonna sell them all at a yard sale. Can you see this? Oh my goodness, there's so many books. But they're so cool. Very interesting. Okay, as you recall, this is the little side room before. Well, this is actually phase 2. Got all that other stuff out, and I'll show that to you in a picture. We're going to end up painting all this paneling so it'll look nice. Here's where I was having a paint color, a swatch color, but I don't really like that gray, so I'm going to change that. Taking out this icky floor, going to put in some laminate, taking out this icky air conditioner, taking that out, whatever it is, and work on the windows, and as you can see, the dumpster. It's gonna look good. I promise you, it's gonna look good by the time we're done. Okay, ta-da! Okay, made a little more progress in the laundry room. Got rid of all that crap, and it was a lot of stuff, if you remember. And I started on the cabinets. Gotta get those bottles out, whatever it is. And oh my goodness, more stuff. There's just stuff everywhere. Oh my goodness, there's stuff everywhere. Okay, more work to do. So, whew, okay, but this is really a big and pretty laundry room. Another paint idea I'm working on, and yeah, but it's gonna be real pretty. It just needs a whole lot of love, but it's gonna be fun. Woo! Okay, as I back away slowly from the scary laundry room. Okay.